For centuries, myths and legends have captured the imagination of humanity, but few are as chilling and enigmatic as the legend of El Chupacabra. A creature said to roam the night, leaving fear and inexplicable devastation in its wake. Today, we bring you new, startling evidence of its existence. Actual video footage that might finally provide answers to one of the greatest mysteries of the modern age. The origins of El Chupacabra, from myth to global mystery. The story of El Chupacabra began in Puerto Rico during the mid-1990s when reports of livestock being found drained of blood first surfaced. Farmers described eerie, unexplained puncture wounds on their animals, and whispers of a bloodthirsty creature swept across the island. Early sightings painted the creature as reptilian, with glowing red eyes and sharp spines running down its back. These descriptions evolved over time, but the fear remained consistent. From Puerto Rico, the legend spread like wildfire across the Americas. Similar incidents were reported in Mexico, Texas, and even as far north as Maine. But why has this story persisted for decades, and why are the details eerily consistent across different regions? Modern-day sightings, chilling accounts from eyewitnesses. Reports of El Chupacabra are still common today. Witnesses describe terrifying encounters with a creature that seems otherworldly. One Texas rancher recounts finding several goats dead overnight, their blood mysteriously drained. I've seen coyotes and wolves take down animals before, but this was different. There was no mess, no tracks, just clean wounds like something surgical. It's like whatever did this wasn't natural. These accounts leave investigators puzzled. How could a predator kill with such precision, leaving no blood, no trace, only fear in its wake? The video evidence. Proof at last? This video, captured in rural Texas, has sparked intense debate among cryptozoologists and skeptics alike. Experts have analyzed the footage, with some claiming it's definitive proof of El Chupacabra's existence. Others suggest it's simply a diseased coyote or a hoax. The footage raises more questions than answers. Could this be the elusive predator, or just a case of mistaken identity? And if it's real, what does this mean for science and our understanding of the natural world? The mysterious patterns of livestock deaths. Reports of livestock drained of blood date back centuries, long before El Chupacabra became a household name. Farmers in various regions have noted consistent patterns: animals killed without a struggle, no signs of predators, and strange puncture wounds. The precision of these attacks suggests a predator with intelligence and perhaps tools, or something far beyond what we know as natural behavior. Cryptid, alien, or evolutionary mystery. Cryptozoologists propose that El Chupacabra may be an undiscovered species adapted to hunt in an unusually specific way. Others believe the creature has extraterrestrial origins, citing the timing of UFO sightings that often coincide with Chupacabra encounters. Could El Chupacabra be a creature from another planet, or even a product of government experimentation gone wrong? DNA testing. Science meets the supernatural. In several cases, supposed Chupacabra carcasses have been found and subjected to DNA analysis. Most often, results identify them as mangy coyotes or dogs. However, some samples have returned inconclusive results, with anomalies that fuel ongoing speculation. Could these anomalies point to a new species, or something more mysterious? The science is far from settled. Connections to other legends. El Chupacabra isn't the only predator that has left humanity mystified. Similar legends, like the Jersey Devil and the Tasmanian tiger, suggest a pattern of elusive creatures just beyond the reach of science. Some even draw parallels between El Chupacabra and ancient myths of vampires or blood-drinking demons. Government cover UPS. A conspiracy? Some believe the truth about El Chupacabra is being hidden deliberately. Eyewitnesses report seeing unmarked government vehicles at sites of attacks, fueling suspicions of cover-ups. Could the government be hiding something, an experiment gone wrong, or evidence of extraterrestrial life? Pop culture phenomenon. The legend of El Chupacabra has inspired countless works of fiction, from horror movies to TV series. But does this media attention dilute the truth, or keep the legend alive? The search continues. What's next for the Chupacabra mystery? Advances in technology, such as thermal imaging drones and AI-powered analysis, may finally crack the case. Until then, the legend of El Chupacabra continues to haunt the imaginations of believers and skeptics alike. The truth may still be out there, waiting to be discovered. But will we ever truly know the answer? Whether it's a cryptid, an alien, or a figment of our collective fears, El Chupacabra reminds us that the world is still full of mysteries. What do you believe? Share your thoughts and join the search for the truth. If you're fascinated by cryptids, UFOs, and the unexplained, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. We'll bring you more chilling tales from the edge of the unknown. We want to hear from you. Do you think El Chupacabra is real? Have you had your own encounters with the unexplained? Drop your thoughts in the comments or tag us on social media using #Chupacabramystery. The world is full of unanswered questions, and together we can uncover the truth. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep exploring the mysteries of our planet.